Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Want to boost your productivity or enjoy a bigger screen wherever you go? Portable monitors in 2025 are thinner, sharper, and more powerful than ever. Perfect for work, travel, gaming, or creative projects. Whether you're a digital nomad, a student, or just tired of tab switching, these sleek displays turn any laptop setup into a dual-screen powerhouse. No more bulky gear or complicated setups. Just plug in and get more done, anywhere. In this guide, we'll show you the top 5 best portable monitors for laptops in 2025 that deliver on quality, portability, and performance. Let's find the perfect second screen for your lifestyle. Number 1. ASUS ZenScreen 15.6-inch 1080p Portable Monitor. Upgrade your workspace or gaming setup with the ASUS ZenScreen 15.6-inch Portable Monitor, MB16 ACV. A sleek, full HD display built for life on the move. Its stunning IPS screen delivers sharp visuals from any angle, while eye care tech protects your eyes during long hours. With USB-C power delivery, it connects easily to laptops, phones, or consoles. No extra cables or clutter. The built-in kickstand makes setup quick and seamless wherever you are. If you want a lightweight, high-quality second screen, this is the one to grab. Number 2. ARZOPA 16-inch 2.5K Portable Monitor. Experience stunning clarity and vibrant color on the go with the ARZOPA 16-inch 2.5K Portable Monitor Z1RC. With a sharp 2560 by 1600 QHD IPS display and 123% sRGB, it's perfect for creatives, gamers, and multitaskers alike. The built-in stand, eye care features, and slim metal design make it both stylish and functional. Easily connect to your Mac, laptop, phone, PS5, Xbox, or Switch via USB-C or HDMI. Whether for work or play, this ultralight monitor is your ultimate second screen solution.
Number 3. ZUMWALT Laptop Screen Extender.
Supercharge your productivity with the ZUMWALT 14-inch triple portable monitor extender, a game-changing upgrade for your laptop setup. Featuring dual 1080p FHD displays and built-in speakers, it transforms any 13 and 16.5 laptop into a full multi-screen workstation. Perfect for multitasking, trading, coding, or remote work. No more tab switching or cramped windows. Compatible with macOS, Windows, and Chrome, it sets up in seconds with plug-and-play ease. Number 4. InnoView Portable Monitor. Enhance your screen space anywhere with the InnoView 15.6-inch Portable Monitor, the perfect second display for work or play. With a crisp, Full HD 1080p resolution and built-in speakers, it delivers sharp visuals and clear audio on the go. Compatible with laptops, MacBooks, phones, tablets, gaming consoles, and more via USB-C or HDMI. Its slim design and included protective case make it travel-ready and easy to set up anywhere. Number 5. NGTeco Laptop Screen Extender. Take your multitasking to the next level with the NGTeco 16-inch Laptop Screen Extender. A powerful triple-screen setup for any 13 to 17-inch laptop. Featuring a sharp FHD 1200p IPS display, it's perfect for work, gaming, coding, or streaming on the go. With Type-C, HDMI, and USB-A ports, it's plug-and-play ready for Windows, Mac, and Chrome devices. The lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry and set up wherever you need a productivity boost.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.